Hello everyone and happy new 2025. In this short video I'm going to show you how my interactive foliage system is working with multiplayer slash replication. If you enjoyed any of the videos on this channel and if you're a fan, could you do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button? Surprisingly, 85% of the people who watched my videos are unsubscribed. Your quick action of hitting that subscribe button will support this channel, and as it grows, we will be able to share even more free content with you. So let's just start with the video. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm gonna go to the three dots, I'm gonna go to the net mode and play as a client. The next is I'm gonna use 3 players and I'm gonna put a new editor window to pop up. And right now what I have is 3 players in a simulated server. And as you can see, let me just tweak up the camera. The first thing that I'm going to show you is the skeletal foliage instances. So those plants are using skeletal mesh, and let me show you how quickly and how accurately it looks on the other players. So this can be used in your multiplayer game, and all the players can see the interaction through the skeletal mesh, the formations and the physics that are running. And of course this is pretty optimized because we are just scanning inside a radius that we define, and inside this radius we just simulate the physics of the foliage, and outside of this radius you just have static meshes. So it is pretty good optimized for multiplayer games and for single player games. So this is how it looks with the foliage that supports skeletal mesh. Let me just select another player and let's start looking at it. So when you start interacting, you can see everything works and feels pretty smooth. Everything is interacting pretty nicely and in real time. So those are the skeletal meshes. Let me show you the other components. So if I go to the flattering grass and I play the clients, let me also set up the camera. All right. If I start walking here, you can see the interaction and the grass flattering. And it's working pretty good in a multiplayer. Let's try this one. You can see also the interaction in the right window, the big one. And if I progress and go further, you can see also there is interaction. And it is pretty smooth, pretty nice. The interactive foliage system was designed based on analyzing and observing the Red Dead Redemption system. So my system is pretty close in terms of fidelity and what you can do based on the Red Dead Redemption 2 game. So this is the bush interaction. And as you can see in all the clients on the left, everything is playing pretty nice and pretty smooth. Let's test this one. Walk around your character. So yeah, to answer your question, yes, the interactive foliage system supports multiplayer and supports multiple clients. As you can see over here, all the players can see the interaction from the first one, from the second one, from the third one. So pretty much the interactive foliage system is ready to go, ready for production. It has all the features that you will need to create your AAA game and have your vegetation, foliages, bushes, grass to be interactive. If you find out some bugs or you want some improvement on the interactive foliage system, don't hesitate to contact me. You can get the interactive foliage system from Fab. Just put fab/server CGDivers. Link will be in the description. And here you can get the interactive foliage system or the interactive water, ocean and swimming system. In the description you can find demo and how to use it. You can go and download the free testing demonstration of this interactive foliage system, which is not optimized. It is not written in C++, but you can get the idea how this works. By purchasing it through Fab, you have also lifetime updates on the interactive foliage system. However, if you want to support development of the system and development of more systems, you can go to Patreon and enroll into the premium supporter tier, where you will also get the latest version of the interactive foliage system, but you'll also get the new versions that are coming before releasing on Fab. In the premium supporter tier also you have the interactive water, ocean and swim systems and all the systems that I've developed so far. So this was a quick demonstration of how this system is working. Thank you guys for watching this short video. See ya in my next one.